Hey guys, just wanted to quickly update you on how to insert a cover page. Right now we are in the MS Word, the latest edition of MS Word. Go to the Insert tab. In here, you're going to want to insert a cover page. I happen to say like this one. You'll find that there's a title thing right here. It's grayed out. That's because Microsoft has a way of controlling certain parts of the document so that you have to fill it out a certain way, or they want you to fill it out a certain way. So, but say you don't have a subtitle, you just simply remove content control, and say you're doing assignment number 2, which you're working on right now. That's what you would put for your title. Your student name would be, you could go written by, for me, I'll put Eric W. Class would be Biz 237. Section, that would be D300 or E100, depending on which section you're from. TA would be Eric Wong as well. I mean, I am your TA if you're watching this. Or maybe I'm not. I don't know. And then, lastly, you're gonna want to put in your student number. Something like that. Your tutorial section. So I have D307. What else? Oh yes, get rid of these things. So you can just select the whole thing and just press the delete button, get rid of that. And that is your cover page that you need. This is all you need for your cover page. Okay, the next thing I want to show you, let's focus on the right side of this page now, or the down side of this page, or the next page. What am I talking about? For instance, creating references. I'm just going to quickly show you how to use the citation manager. So say you had a citation and we're going to add a new source. We're going to do a book just to keep it really simple. And say I wrote a book one day, long Eric. The title was Finding Happiness. And the year was 2019. The city is Burnaby. The publisher is Wong's Enterprise. No. I just put Wong's Press. Yeah, keep it simple. Finding Happiness. Everything's correct. So essentially in APA format right up here, these are all the fields that you need. If you want to add more to differentiate your citation from another one that's very similar, you click into here, you can add more stuff. But for APA style, that's all you need. Click OK. That comes up. That's perfectly fine. But if I were to change this to Chicago, notice how the comma goes away, or to another citation style like MLA, it goes away, right? So, like, this is a very useful tool when it comes to, automating your citations. So, say I had a thing where it was like, in the month of March, the equinox happens. And then I say this is where my citation ends, and I got it from this source, this book. Period. That's it. See, look how easy that was. That took like 5 seconds. You don't have to use EasyBib anymore. Can I even say that in this video? But yeah, you don't even have to use EasyBib anymore. Additionally, if say your TA wanted in MLA style, boom, it just changes for you. However, when we go to generate a reference list, for APA it's reference list or references, you're going to want to insert a blank page. The references should be on its own. Go to references. And in here, you're going to put in your reference list / bibliography. So references, And then there it is. But then there's something wrong here. Something wrong about, you know, what this is all about. Because the book that he wrote, for instance, had the wrong title. So what do you do if you have the wrong title? Like, what happens then? Well, we can always fix our sources. So we go manage sources. You find out a whole bunch of stuff on the left hand side. You can ignore all that. On the right hand side, we can go edit. And the title is "You Found Happiness." And we'll talk about that on April 2nd. Click OK. Do you want to update both lists? Click yes. Click close. In addition, you can change the citation, the source, so that it's different. For instance, you could add like a page number from the book. You could suppress the author, meaning like the author goes away, the title comes up, and so forth and so on. But here, you're going to be reminded to click this button to update your citations, or in other words, your references if you're doing APA style. Alright, that's it. That's a quick refresher on what we learned in Word this year in Biz 237. See you all soon.